Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today talking about of the bioethics. Let's go. Artificial insemination and gestating a baby in a egg-like device that function as a surrogate wall is an striking concept. The idea of replacing the original natural process with an artificial one is thought-provoking. It seeks to eliminate the need for women to become pregnant, instead facilitating artificial insemination in a kind of intelligent app that serves as a home for the fertilized baby, which the parents can carry carry like a kangaroo, like a kangaroo. While this would allow parents to experience pregnancy without the physical change, it also raises questions about the emotional connection between mother and child. Is crucial. The contact with with the baby with mom. This scenario is reminding of surrogacy and creating a baby outside of the mother body. It is intriguing that technology initially intended to bring families close together. Now, at the moment, seems to be distancing us from human connection, and stripping away the beautiful experience of motherhood. Let us remember that the human experience is about more than just biological function. It's about love, connection, and the miracle of life. Let's ensure that our pursuit of technological progress doesn't come at the expense of our humanity. And finally, technology and science should be used to support families, but not at the expense of the human connection that is crucial for the human development. The plea of a child, whether concept or born, is clear. Don't separate us. Thank you so much. See you later, my friends.